Hi, so here I have the Yamaha P-71B. This is a digital piano and is the Amazon exclusive version of the popular Yamaha P-45, and I'll be unboxing it today, so let's start. And just for your knowledge, I do not have any prior experience with music theory, or I am not even proficient with any kind of music instrument. The only reason I got this is because I heard from a lot of my friends that playing a musical instrument, it helps you become more focused and it helps you become a lot more calm. So I thought of giving piano a shot. The reason I chose piano was because in 5th grade my parents got me enrolled in a piano class and I left it within a month because I didn't like it then. But now I thought, let's just give this one more shot. So here I am unboxing the Yamaha P-71B, and looks like I've managed to open the top. Oh, here we go. Here's the bad boy. It looks amazing. Wow. I'm so happy about getting this. So here I have removed. I can't remove the cover without getting rid of all these blocks, so let's just do that. And one more. I hope I do not damage this. Wow. And this package also comes with a sustain pedal and a power adapter. So I have put up the piano right here. I'm really excited to play it. And now let's just look at the other components which came with this. So here we have the sustain. No, this is not the sustain pedal. Oh yeah, it is the sustain pedal. So here we have the sustain pedal, this right here, and this is a stand which people use to hold their sheets, which contains all the notes and everything. So I'll just keep it here for a while. And okay, so here is the power adapter, and here's a closer look at the piano itself. As I said earlier, I am not very proficient with any kind of musical instrument, so I'm not really in a position to review this. But I'd love to give you guys a closer look. So the point on the right is for the power adapter and the point on the extreme left is for the sustain pedal. The point in between is for the headphones. Here's a closer look at the sustain pedal. So it's made by Yamaha and it feels quite sturdy. So it's made in China. And here's a closer look at the power adapter. It's made by Yamaha as well. This is the plug for the power adapter, and this is the plug for the sustain pedal. And now that the piano is all hooked up to the power, I will play the only tune I remember from my 5th grade. So it was yeah, it's playing. Yay! Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. In case this video helped you save some time, then please like it and subscribe. Thank you.